Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is an introduction to Packet Tracer Mobile. This application is available at Cisco's website. You can get it for your devices. So now we'll start with our new project, and this is basically the window of Packet Tracer Mobile. Up here we find our Packet Tracer menu. Next we'll get our account menu. This one navigates between our windows, simulation and real view, and this will look at our topology. So for our introduction today, we'll look at basic networking, connecting two computers together, and mostly how we just interact with our Packet Tracer mobile interface. So we'll start by adding a PC. To add a device, you just click at the blank window. You get to end devices. This lists all the devices that are present. We have the end devices, routers, switches, wireless, and so on. So we click on end devices. We have the various end devices. We have PC wireless, laptops, and so on. For now, let's select the PC Ethernet, and we add two of those. So we get two PC Ethernet, and they're here. So now what we'll need to do is connect the two PCs together. To connect a PC to another PC, we use a crossover cable if we are not using any central or medium devices. So we select connect, and we connect this to this one. And now we select the kind of a cable. We select a crossover cable. So with that done, we can close and go back to the topology. We just click, we say what? Automatic connect to this one. Now we have our crossover cable connected between the two PCs. Now with this infrastructure, we have the media of connection, but we don't have an active connectivity. So what we'll need to do now is assign IP addresses to both computers and the same network address, so they will be able to communicate with one another. So to do that, we select the PC again. We get to desktop. Under desktop, we get what? IP version 4 configuration. We'll leave it as static because for now we don't have any DHCP server running, so we have to statically input the IP addresses. So we click IP address, we input an address for the PC. So we get 192.168. Well, this is just an address I am just coming up with. It doesn't necessarily mean you should get this specific IP address. You can use any IP address you choose. The trick is both computers should be with IP addresses on the same network. So this is 192.168.1.1. So my next subnet mask of a /24 CIDR. So I need my next computer to be in this same network. So I need to apply the changes from the window down. Now changes has been applied. I close again, or I can simply just get to topology, back to the next PC. I hit desktop again, the same procedure, IP address, and I input the IP address I want here. This will be 192.168.1.2. Done. The subnet mask the same, 255. Oh, sorry, I just got an emoji. 255.255.255.0. So we apply these changes again at the window down. Changes has been applied. We close, or we can simply just get to topology. Now with that configured, we should be able to activate communication between the two PCs. So for starters, let's try a ping command. So we get to desktop on our first computer, we get to command prompt, and in command prompt we simply ping the next IP address. That will be ping 192.168.1.2. Oh, sorry, .1.2. Come on. 1.2, and we hit enter. Now we see our packets are being transmitted to the next point and back to us. We have a swift ping. So now let's try this in the simulation view. So if we can just navigate to simulation, we redo the ping command. We just hit the upper arrow, redo the ping, enter. We play this and back to topology. We see our ping packet moving from PC1 to PC2. Now since it's an echo request, it hits the destination and back to the source to tell the source that the destination is active and there is what? A medium to connect between the two computers. So now this will send like 4 ping packets to and from the next PC. So this is our packet tracer mobile. It's available also at AI Pro. You can have it and practice your networking simply. Thank you.